Here's a little tour of my family childcare bathroom. This is the bathroom that everybody uses, and we do diapering and everything in here. The kids wash their hands. It's a really busy place. We keep a little nice, easy to use soap dispenser. I can refill that with lotion soap that's unscented. And then we have our hand washing instructions here. This is a requirement to keep posted in your family child care home for licensing. And then this is the simple diaper changing station. It's this big pad here. I got this from my lending closet. I'm sure for anybody who's not military, you can find these pretty easily. And then that I just lay on the floor, and we change them right here on the floor in the bathroom. And then this is a little rolly cart, makes it kind of easier. I can roll that out and put each child's diapers on. You have to have a lidded garbage can, and then I like to keep these little cute artwork down low where the kids can see it. And then this is where some of the excess diapers and things can stack nicely in these bins on this big shelf where the kids can't reach. And I keep a little first aid basket there. I've got our sunscreen in a little basket, and then our disinfectant and this soap. So same process for the diaper changing table. And then there's my hand soap I like to use from Grove. It's just their unscented lotion soap. It's very nice and gentle. And then also you must keep your diaper changing steps posted. And then I love this little paper towel dispenser. It's so great. It's the perfect size. The towels are pretty small. They're the narrow ones. It doesn't stick out very far. I keep it down low where each child can grab it after they wash their hands. And then under the sink, I keep more spare boxes of the paper towels. And then here's my emergency bag. That's also a requirement to keep under there. And by keeping just what I need in here and having it ready to go when I need it and easy to clean, it makes my job easier.